one comes out for the plug. That one's on. That one's the other one. Squeeze it down. Let go. Major pain in the butt. That's a new one. Go in that. Those look like they're lined up, but they ain't snapping in. Yes, I know the fan's extremely loud. Take the screw out of the housing to get it out. There's one screw right here that holds it in. I'll take that whole housing out. There might be another one back there. On the other side. I don't think there is. But I don't know what size that one is. I think it's a 7mm. Try again tomorrow when I can see. I can find the socket to get it out. Actually, I figured out why it's not going in. See where that indexing key is on that one. See where it is on this one. And on that one. So I mean, the two teeth over here line up right, but this one over here lines up wrong. It's made wrong for 2013. Which is why it won't go in. I'm sure I could take like a paring knife or something like that and trim that down and get them to snap in. Or a razor blade, something along those lines, which is probably what I'll do. But I ain't gonna do it tonight. Too many mosquitoes already trying to chase me around, because it is like 10:30 at night, something like that. Definitely a bright spot. 2013 Dodge Durango, working on changing out the fog light, which goes in back here under the front bumper. The easiest way that you can do this is there is a screw, this little dude right here, that goes right there on that housing. This little tab right here, you lift up, and with that screw out, lift up that tab. As soon as you're done getting mutilated by mosquitoes, twist it counterclockwise to take it out. And you can take the whole light housing out, just like you're changing a light bulb out. But when you go to slide it back in, hang on, I gotta turn the fan on, it's gonna get loud. We're gonna push these mosquitoes away. Anyway, you can take the housing, drop it down, change the bulb out with the whole housing out a whole lot easier than trying to do it with it in. This is a 930 seconds. 930 second socket. I think it's the same as a 7mm, but I'm not sure. Fixing to change the one on the other side. This one's already changed. Kill me, as I am in Arkansas. This one's the driver's side, or the left side. This one over here. This would be a lot easier if I had both my hands. With the tab, this side over here you turn clockwise. Hopefully you can see this. Got a little squeeze tab right there, that pops out. And you have one here. Get the let go. Go around to the other side. Of course, it's a pain in the butt, which is why you got to take them out and get them out. That one's out. Well, putting it back in is the hard part because there's right here is two little indexing tabs. And on this side, depending on which brand you buy, there's a third tab that lines up. These two line up okay, but the one that I got from Amazon, that third tab, is lined up wrong. So, yeah, snap it back in by pushing it back over. To get it to line back up or to snap in. I had to turn the tab off, is what I had to do. helpful tip for you. Before you get everything put back all together and tightened up, get out and turn your fog lights on, because if by chance the polarity is backwards on an LED, it won't light up like it's supposed to. I've already checked on the driver's side because I did that in a previous video that I made last night, but I haven't done it on this one. And on my luck, now that I've got it all tightened up, it won't work. But I'll know here in a minute. On mine, to turn the fog lights on and off, you have to press in. Yep, they're working. Those are monumentally brighter, and they're adjustable. So once I get it down and positioned where I can adjust them, I can climb under there with a Phillips screw or a Phillips screwdriver and adjust them up and down as I need to be. Anyway, that's all for now. It's a whole lot easier to change these, or the newer ones, because the newer ones, they twist in and out like a regular headlight does, but these don't do that. These are a monumental pain to change because of the fact that the newer ones, they realize how much of a pain in the butt they were to get swapped out, and modified the design to where they changed in and out of the newer ones like a headlight. Well, these don't do that. These you got to snap in and out and all that stuff in order to get them changed out, where the newer ones, they don't. 210,000 miles, and this thing is in dire need of a bath on the inside. I had two new trim pieces. The passenger side staying on without any problem. The driver's side thing come flying off in the first week of having it. I was literally doing like 62 miles an hour on cruise control, and all of a sudden I heard this whoop-pap of it popping off and flying off and running down the damn road beside me. Went back, looked for it, couldn't find it. Don't know where in the hell it went. Anyway, y'all have a good night.